and done a couple of things already. Taking again apart the 24 valve motor that I have. Just gonna take off the pan, the oil pump, the pickup tube, and the reason why I'm doing that is because the oil pan on the Touareg 3.2 is a lot taller, and the pickup tube is a lot longer. So as many of you know, on the Mark 3s and Mark 4s, you don't exactly have a lot of room for clearance, especially if you're in a lowered car. So you want to go with the shorter pan. Again, to save money, I'm just swapping out the Mark 3 one just because it is shorter. If you really want to, you know, spend a little more money, I would recommend getting the Mark 5 R32. That one's quite possibly the best solution we have out there right now. So let me show you what else I've been doing. Turn this around. So as you can see, took the oil pan off. There's the pump. Taking that apart already. God, it looks so bad under here. I don't know if you guys can really see, it's a little dark in here. I have the garage open a little bit, but not too much because it's 90-degree day. So of course, what am I doing? I'm in the garage. So these are the old Touareg exhaust manifolds. Now, the reason why we can't use those is because the engine sits differently than in the R32, so the manifolds point differently. So again, took the exhaust manifolds off of the 24 valve, and as you can see, side-by-side comparison, points at an angle. This one points straight down. So what I'm going to end up using is sending these out, getting them ported and polished, get a little more horsepower out of it, and you know, while I have the chance, since it's not sitting on the motor and don't exactly need them right now. So they do match up. As you can kind of see, it's a little bit harder on this angle, but now with these, you will have to see how those two middle ones don't line up. So what I might end up doing is just drilling them slanted out. You know, let's see a better example on this one. Just lining them out as a slot instead of adding another hole, just to make it easier for me. Shouldn't be having too much adverse, you know, God, it's so hot. Having any adverse effects. Another thing I've been taking off, been removing the timing chain. I haven't taken apart the 3.2 yet, so I don't know if I'm gonna need these sprockets to keep the same, I guess, I don't even know what the exact terminology is, as I'm still learning about this stuff, but I need to hang on to these just in case this motor has different sprockets. Then I can just swap them out and do something with the chains. As you'll see in a later video, I do have friends that have done the swap, so we'll go into further detail about that. Let's see what else. I was able to salvage the 24 valve wiring harness, which will help me out, which I'll need. I'll probably end up sending it out, clean it up a little bit, and just be able to go plug and play. I still haven't decided what I'm gonna do in terms of ECU or wiring, if I'm gonna go with all Mark IV wiring or stick with the Mark III and go from a digital to an analog, just so I can use the gauge cluster and whatnot. Let's see what else. Valve cover. Took that one off the 24 valve. I'm gonna take that off, and basically, even though it's the same valve cover on the 3.2, the accessories mount differently. So obviously, you know, you're gonna want to keep this one because it comes with the accessory brackets and whatnot on it, so you can mount it in the same way as it is on the Mark IV, making it easier for yourself to be able to run certain lines. So let's see, not much other progress I got right now. I'm waiting on some 12-point bits. See how I got these off, took the chain off, so now I just need to take the actuator off, and then that'll be able to pop out and I'll be able to slide the cams out. So yeah, another hot one out here. So unless I got more footage, I'm signing off, and until next time, thanks for watching guys, appreciate it.